Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So I hope my screen is visible and my voice is audible to all. Someone is just giving the comment head, so I can just give the comment from start my session today. Can you start? Okay, this is the second session for the Terraform end-to-end classes where we going to understand multi-cloud with Terraform, and we will try to understand each and every item from the Terraform side. So our main purpose is zero to hero this code, and our intention is if you go with following with the same course what we are following here, so at the end of session you will definitely become that level where you can write your own module, where you can write your own infrastructure with the GCP, Azure or AWS or any other infrastructure. So that is also possible with this all combination. So what we have seen the first day, so basically we have seen that what is Terraform, how Terraform works, why Terraform is so important. This is a quick recap kind of things. How we install the Terraform, how we can configure AWS CLI, how we can configure uh, Terraform CLI also. So this all about that one. And today our focus is main side. The main side is the AWS. We have done, but Azure and GCP both the cloud was pending in the last session. Today we will try to check that Azure and GCP part. So let's start. So let me just go to the my code here. Your in the day one you will find this both code sample here. Let me go inside our code space here. So, so right now I'm in my code space. Okay, last time we have seen that AWS part. So let's first confirm that whether we have a Terraform available here or not. So Terraform. Okay, so Terraform is there. So I'm just checking the version. Terraform minus version. Terraform version is there. Okay, meanwhile we see the AWS CLI also there. Yeah, AWS CLI is also there. So it's giving the help as the output here. Okay, now we'll see the Azure and GCP. So GCP works with the G Cloud. Okay, so G Cloud is not there, and Azure works with the AZ. So AZ is not there. So both CLI is here. So let's install first that one. I'm just going to the configuration part here. So here with the dev, the container configuration will open, and this configuration we will going to take a default configuration. Here we will add the plugin of the Azure and so I'm just doing the Google, taking the Google Cloud here. Similar way we take the Azure CLI containers also take here. So I'm just making the saving the time. So I'm just installing the both at together. You can install whatever need. So like first you need then Azure, then you can pick the Azure. If you need a GCP, then you can pick the GCP also. So based on your need, you can configure, taking the default configuration here. Okay, so now you can see I have the 4 different plugins. So AWS, Terraform, Azure and G Cloud. So this will not work until unless we will not do rebuild. But let's try to confirm first. Okay, AZ is still not working, G Cloud is still not. So to rebuild this container, we have to give the command rebuild. Rebuild container will do rebuild of a container. The rebuild here. So this will take some time. So we have to wait for till the rebuild. This since this is the live session, I cannot cut and skip. So we have to wait. Have any option? Yeah, definitely. But if you have any query, any suggestion regarding the Terraform or any DevOps related, you can write us anytime. And our intention is we can make as much as the awareness of the DevOps with the free tutorials available here. So you can connect us. And if you need any specific requirement of video tutorial, like you are struggling with some setup part, or you want to make that awareness to someone, so basically we will make that video and people can refer that video. We will make the credits to you also. Okay, so let's wait till this is done here. We have to wait. That's needed here, because this will take a container completely build and rebuild part here. It will do the build, then it will start here. That is the internal it's handling. But yeah, I basically we are aware about the Docker part. So if someone is aware about the Docker part, he can map this part by it's taking the too long. Let's see. Okay, meanwhile, let's go to the one of the documentation part which we have created to refer the same example here. So we have created one article which is helping us to the how multi cloud work with the Terraform, and that is basically game changer for today's session. So you can see that's basically Terraform can work with the multi cloud, so Oracle, Azure, Kubernetes, AWS, and GCP, and how this will basically what should be our strategy, and the multi-cloud strategy. You can see how it's helping the scalability, efficiency, resource management. This is very easy part. Then multi-clouds, the state management also we need, like modularization. This will help here. Provided specific features also the Terraform support. You can connect with us if you need any further connection, and basically this will get you live any other kind of documentation, any media publish or any video publish you can. Okay, so let's hope this is done. Let me refresh this page. Okay, so this is taking some more time, but before that let's go to the Google account and we'll collect the authentication part from the Google account. So I'm just going to Google account. Let's go to the IAM. Yes, in IAM, so we have to create a service account here that will give the authentication part, so that we have to take from. So here in the IAM we have to go to the account, so it's loading actually. So it's done. Okay, so now I can see the left side. Okay, so here I can create a new, creating the test demo. Okay, then the test demo is created here. Once you go inside test demo, basically you have to go to the key section. You have to add a new key here, create a key here. Okay, and this key basically we need to use for our authentication. Then the JSON part here. So I have opened my keys in another windows. The important information we cannot share the live session also. Yeah, so key part we got, and let's go to the our GitHub part. Okay, thought this will done till now, but still loading. Trace code space is taking more time here in this case. It's become a bottleneck in the live session. Yeah, but it's really great use. Okay, I think it's done of the code base, because this will save you lots of system resources. Okay, so let's check whether our CLI install, the Google Cloud CLI on, or Azure CLI is installed. So I'm checking the AZ. Should give the prompt help instead of the command not found. Okay, so now check the G Cloud. Cloud is also, I'm just closing this. Let me clear the screen. Okay, then we'll check the G Cloud first. So G Cloud, we have to, we now we got the authentication part, the service account. So before that we have to log in G Cloud. So just to log in G Cloud, this command we have to give for the login G Cloud. So this will give the one URL. This URL we have to where we have login Google account. Okay. This will log in my account. Now I'll give the back the thing here. Just to oh, I think this one here. So for a Google Cloud, we need to give that authentication JSON using the here the input JSON credential part we have to give the your authentic. So first we have to create a new file here. We'll make the auth copy paste our file. Opening this file in another window so I can so I just pasted auth.json here. So now we have to change the part here auth. So we did Google login. Now we are doing the login part with the practical part is we are running the Terraform command. Let's go back here. Terraform it. Then we'll do Terraform. We're going to get one virtual here. Virtual. Try the Terraform. This will ask the prompt. If this will to create your virtual machine. So it's saying the permission denied. Why? Why? Because I have given the wrong account. So basically, I have taken the wrong account because of this authentication part to prevent my account. That is the important part. But to implement, you have to go to your account. You have to take your JSON configuration, and that will apply here. Let me try again with the original account. So that will help you. And so it's doing the Google Auth login again. We have to take care about the security part here. Why we are taking care of the front. We check that my service here. Demo we are given here. In part will see. So this looks here. Just I'm updating the details here. Now let's go back, reapply the same. So this is actually asking for central. This is again the permission issue. We have taken the this account, so let me, because I have tried to avoid some, that's why I'm just taking this. We create a new service. So just reconfiguring that test.json, adding my new key here. So I have pasted again. So let me init the Terraform again. Just sure it's taken the credential and is also done. Now doing the apply. Right now it's applying the configuration. Let's wait for a while this is done. So basically this happen because if you are playing with the multiple service account, you should have the proper permission part. Since I was doing the demo part, so I have to take care because it's a live session, so I have to take care that permission. So before moving the next session, let me delete my account just to prevent the misuse the any information which are the publicly available. Delete here. So that is also done. No one can misuse that part. Okay, so instance I'll going to delete from the manually, so no worries, it's okay. Okay, so this all about how we can create a instance and Terraform integration with the G Cloud. So basically we will check here integration part of the G Cloud here, and this is the example how we basically configure Google Cloud, and we create a Terraform infrastructure using Terraform, and we will see the further session with the Azure DevOps also. Since it's a time permit, we will go with the next session by tomorrow with Azure account, where we are going to create a Azure virtual instance, and we'll also see the how we can integrate Terraform with Azure account. So till time, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.